The 2 Tyres Guide to the Bridgestone T32. Bridgestone's T32 is their premium all-weather motorcycle tyre. It's excellent in wet and cold conditions and offers great grip wet or dry. It's one of the harder-wearing tyres in this segment, making it popular with riders of big tourers and adventure bikes. The fitment range is huge, meaning you can run this on some 125s, right up to big adventure bikes and tourers. If you ride an adventure bike purely on the road and aren't bothered about a knobbly-looking tyre, the T32 should be in your shortlist. It's also a great choice if you ride a superbike on the road and want all-weather coverage and a tyre that offers decent levels of grip wet or dry. Sure, it's not quite as sporty as an S22, but it'll return far better mileage and doesn't lose out too much in terms of grip in real-world UK road conditions. We hope this guide gave you some useful info. There's more information and owner reviews of this tyre on our website, just click the link in the description. See you next time and ride safe.